Hello guys, how are you? This is Miss Farah Talat, your Chinese teacher, and how to say Chinese? 汉语. This is the 5th class of grade number 4. We start talking about how to say hello, 你好. Then we said the initials, b, p, m, f, d, t, n, l, g, k, h. b, p, m, f, d, t, N, L, G, K, H. And I told you to notice or to focus on B, P, D, T, G, K. And here we took S, C, Z. And here we have Sh, Xi, Ch, Qi, J, Ji, R, W. Yeah. Then we start taking the finals. A, O, I, U, Ü. And we said that sometimes we might have combinations. Ow, I, A, yeah, yeah, wa, yua. And here going from big to small. O, O. And here from small to big. Wa. Okay. Then we took last class reading class, and we took how to read the initials with the finals together in this table. Okay. Today's class is one of the most important classes. I want you to focus on it. And focus in it. It's very, 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 very important. And I'm not kidding. Now, in Chinese in general, guys, if you want to pronounce any word, you must pronounce it with what? With the tone. So, what is the meaning of this? In Arabic, guys, we have harakat, correct? We have kasra, fatha, Dhamma, Sukun. In Chinese, we have something we call it tones, and it's one of the most important things in Chinese. As you notice here, I have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. What is this, teacher? Now, in Chinese, we have 4 tones and a 0 tone, an extra one. So, we will call them like this. First, second, third, fourth, and 0 tone. We're going to call it 0 tone. According to these 1, 2, 3, 4 and the extra one, the 0 tone, we will have something very important to explain it. So, we will write each one with one color. Starting with the first tone. I want to start with the first tone, actually. So, imagine, guys, that this is your voice. I'm going to draw your voice. Imagine your voice going in a straight line. It's not going up. It's not going down. It's not going around. No, it's only one line. So, your word, let's imagine that we are talking about letter A. We're going to put the tones on letter A, okay? So, imagine your voice is going in a straight line. So, it's in a straight line and a straight line only. So, your voice with the letter A, it's going to be what? Sorry. How to write this tone? You will have to write, and tones only, guys, comes above the what? The finals only. There's no way that you will put a tone above the initials, only above the finals, and there's no way that you will find more than one tone in one word. No way. So, teacher, what does this mean? This means that, yes, if you had two finals in one word, you have to put a tone only above one final. طب which one that we will put the tone above? We will put the tone above according to this. A, O, I, U, U. You will put the tone according to your mouth. So the bigger the mouth was, on it you will put the what? The tone. So if you had an A and an O at the same word, you have to put the tone above the what? The bigger one, A. So if, for example, if you have an E and U, you have to put it on the E, not on the U, okay? Sorry. Continuing about the tones first, and then I'm going to explain this again for you. So again, we said that imagine your voice is going in a straight line with the letter A, so it's going to be A. Teacher, how to write this tone? The way of writing this tone is a straight line only. A, A, A. For example, I want to put it with the letter O. Sorry, with the letter O. It's going to be O, O. With the letter E, E, E. And here, guys, notice that with the letter E, we remove the dot and we only put the tone. E, E. Okay? Going to the next one. So here, let's repeat. A, O, E. Okay? Going to the second tone, guys. The second tone, imagine that your voice is going from down to up. From down to up. So imagine this is your voice here. Your voice is going from down and going to where? Toward up. From down to up. What is the meaning of this, teacher? Let's put it with the letter A. So it's going to be A, A. My voice is going from down to up. A, A, A. It's like you're asking a question. A, A, A. Not no. A. Teacher, how to write this tone? We write this tone exactly like we pronounce it. A, A. For example, O, O, O. Like you're asking, like you're having this question mark. O, A. Let's put it with an E. E, E, E. So you're going with your voices from down to up. E, E, A, O, E. Not like the first one. A, O, E, E. Second one, you're going what? A, O, E. So you're going from down to up. Going to the third tone, guys, and it's one of the most important tones ever. You have to go from from up to down to up. What is the meaning of this? Let me explain it to you. Imagine that I am drawing your voice again. So you're here. This is your voice. From the third tone, I mean. This is your voice. Down, 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 here, down. So your voice is here, down. You will go what? From down to downer, like going more down, and then you have to go up. So your voice is gonna make this sound. With the letter A, it's gonna make this sound. And then you have to go up. So it will be like this. Sorry for this. I can't draw. So it's gonna be like this. This is your voice. Okay, guys? So your voice is gonna be like this. Ah, ah. Do you hear this here? I want to hear it. This one here, going down, down, down. Ah, 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 ah. So let's teacher how to draw this tone. It's like this. Let's put it with another letter. With O. 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 Let's put it with an E. 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 Not like the first one. The first one. A. O. E. The second one. A. O. E. The third one. A. O. E. Going to the fourth tone and the last tone. Fourth tone, it's the opposite of the second tone. The second tone we went from down to up. The fourth tone we will go from up to down. So your voice is here. You have to go down. Go down, 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 down. So this will make your voice what? Like this. Ah. Ah. If we put it with the letter A. A. So it's going to be ah, like you're cutting something. So let's imagine that we will put it here. How to write it? Ah. 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 Let's put it with O. 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 Let's put it with E. 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 So imagine that you're cutting your voice. Ah. O. E. Ah. O. E. You're going from up to down. From up to down. Not like the first one. The first one you settled. Ah. The second one. Ah. Ah. The third one. Ah. Ah. The fourth one. Ah. 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 Again, we're gonna pronounce them. Ah. Ah. O. O. E. E. Second tone. Ah. Ah. O. O. E. E. Third tone. Ah. Ah. O. O. E. E. Fourth tone. Ah. Ah. O. O. E. E. Going to the zero tone, guys, we do not have any voice for it because it's with no voice at all. So it's gonna be quick but with no tone. So for example, ah, it's the normal way of pronouncing it. O. E. U. U. So it's the normal way of pronouncing any letter. This is the tones class. So ah, 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 ah. O, 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 o. E, 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 e. So if you have any question about the tones, please ask me, and this class is very, very important. So please notice, please focus on it and repeat it many times. If you have any question, you are so welcome to ask me.